Uh, we are here to do an interview
Okay.
to the Sir Osmar, Cesar Osmar, because he want to apply for a job in our company about architecture. Well, nice to meet you.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna do some questions
That's okay.
to evaluate your skills. Let's start. What did you study at university?
I study computer science in the Technological Monterrey campus, Guadalajara, and I graduated last year. So I'm here to apply for the job.
Oh, that sounds good.
Yeah.
What did you study at? Sorry. What did you choose your degree subject?
Well, at first was difficult because I was interested in the technology, and I discovered this career that consists in develop new technology using code, and only use computer. You just have to search and create new things. That's catch me.
Oh, you are a
Yeah.
good student. Well, I think that.
Ah,
First, what do you most and also least enjoy about your time at university?
I enjoyed in the time of my university maybe was the sports, the activities that the university have, because I have to do my projects, my activities in the school. But if I wouldn't have extra activities, maybe I don't know, I will do. So I like the activities that the university has.
Ah, that means that you are an active person.
Yeah, I love sports.
Okay. What skills did you develop at university?
I skill some values. I skill programming language because I start like in zero.
What kind of? Can you tell us?
It's computer language. I study Python, Java, JavaScript, C++, HTML, PHP, and I think that's all.
Oh, nice. Tell me something about yourself.
Well, I consider that I'm a person that I like to be success, and to achieve goals and learn every day new things.
Okay. So, why do you want this job?
I was searching a job that consists in architecture of information, and I discovered this company. And also it was interesting because it taught about environment, and that's I like to be care the world, so I think that's my job.
Okay. So, why should we hire you?
I think I have some abilities, maybe don't have the experience like other world, but I perseverance and I want to learn new things, and I like it, and I want to success. I know.
What do you consider to be the 9 necessary skills for this job?
For your job.
Yes, for this job.
For this job, I think it's necessary to read a lot, because if we're talking about architecture information, it's important to do investigation, so it's important to read, it's important to be organized with your job, with your information, and also be secure, because we work with information, and it's important to also to learn every day new things, because in talking about technology, we're going to learn new things that are not present now.
And also, what do you think? What are your strengths and weaknesses?
Well, maybe my strength is like, if I don't know something, I searching, and maybe my weakness is sometimes when I don't know, and if someone tell me you don't know, maybe I feel bad about it. But
Well,
but when I feel bad, I say, come on, I know you can do it. So then I do my strictness, that is
Wow.
be perseverance.
so what do you do if I tell you you can't do it? You can't.
At first, maybe I'm going to be thinking, maybe I can, but I'm going to remember my life, because if I can graduate, I can get the grades that you receive in my current years. It's because I effort and I success in my career in my way. So I think I can do it.
So what attracted you to this company?
But the first to tell you about your company consists in your architecture information, and also about the environment. And the part of the environment is it's interesting for me.
Oh, and how do you handle the stress?
Sorry?
How do you handle the stress?
Okay. When I have some free times, I like to do sports, and I practice now basketball, and I want to swimming. So that's in my free time is is these activities. I control my stress, and when I am working, maybe only I need 10 minutes to to be relaxed and then continue working.
Oh, that's good. Tell me about your ability to work under pressure, like this.
Well, working in pressure is common because in technological Monterrey, we have to work in pressure. Not only in what subject. We have to work in different subjects with different projects and with a deadline.
Oh,
So I think you feel the pressure, but when you feel pressure, you know that you have to do it. So and I finish all my work, so I think I am good in working in pressure.
okay. So, where are you looking for in a job?
When I'm looking for a job, first I look in some for economics, everything search economics, but also to complement myself.
Oh. So, what do you consider to be the most challenging thing about this job?
Maybe about this job is that you have to find the way that the users accept the information and accept all the things that are going to be presented by application, by web page or the program, software. And that is difficult because the times are changed and the context also. So we have to study people, and we have to study different regions, and maybe to know people because the people change. Maybe it's the difficult. And also learn new things because maybe I want to present that I have to learn a new language. I have to learn a new library in a week. So maybe I think are going to be the difficult things.
So, tell us about a time when you encounter a problem and how you resolve it.
Well, in my career, I read about an internship that I do in Intel. So this time I have a big problem because my partners that are work professionals, they say me, you have to do this project. But for do this project, I have to study a lot. I have to sacrifice part of my time in the school, and I like that because I know I was not the experience that they have, but they have someone have a problem, they have to resolve it. So also with help with people, I can find the solution.
So, where would you see yourself if you're working in this company, in another company, with a family?
Well, I planning a family. I think is a dream and have kids, But yeah, I see in this company 5 years. I think because I want to change the world. I want to propose new ideas, and if I can create my company better.
So,
But I think working here is I want to learn a lot of things, and if I can change something with this company, I will stay here.
so I think that's all. Do you have any questions for us?
Well, I did my question in the cool letter, so I think you're going to ask me by a letter, so that's okay.
Okay, well, if we're going to see the video, if we accept you, we're going to call.
Yeah, I will free call.